Been a good attacking showing, much better in the second half from the Syrians. Only one man in the middle though. They're getting bodies forward now. That's half-chested away and driven in from the narrowest of angles for the equaliser. It's Albayer.
يا موج خدني معك، يا بحر غرقني، لأنه محبوب القلب بهالساعة فارقني. يا موج خدني معك، يا بحر غرقني، لأنه محبوب القلب بهالساعة فارقني.